Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Aradhya. Today we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. In this you are going to explore the step-by-step process of multiplying fractions. Today's roadmap: multiplying fractions by fractions, multiplying fraction using area model, multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. So what today's question is, what we are going to solve is there are three-fourths of the plate of gelatin was left after a party. Kian had half of what was left, like 1 second of what was left. How much gelatin did Kian eat? Learning outcome: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn how to multiply fractions by another fraction, use area model to multiply fractions and mix numbers. So multiplying fractions by fractions, or like when we are multiplying fractions, in this what we are going to do is to solve that question we will multiply 3/4 with 1 second. So in this multiplying fraction, what we did is our first step is to multiply the numerators. What we need to do is we need to multiply the numerators. So when we will multiply our numerators, as we have numerators 3 and 1, so when we will multiply them we will get 3. Yeah. And then our second, then our second step is to multiply denominators. Our denominators are 4 and 2, and when we will multiply that we will get 8. Yeah. So now our answer is 3/8. It means Kian eat 3/8 gelatin. Okay. Now we are going to see how we can multiply fraction using area models. Okay. First of all, let's for that what you need to do is you need to divide. Like, let me just tell you. Okay, what you need to do is, here we have a rectangle over here. As you can see, there is a rectangle. What you need to do is you need to part like you need to divide the rectangle into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why would we did that? Because there are 3/4. So 4 is our total. Yeah, so we divide that in the 4 parts, and then we shade 3/4. We shaded 3 part of that because 3 was our the numerator. So when we did this, then our second step is to divide that in the 2 parts. We divide this rectangle in the 2 parts and shade 1/2. Like there are 2 parts. Oh, 1/2. Why would we divide that into 2 parts? Because 2 is our whole number, 2 is in our denominator, and then uh 1 is our numerator. So we are going to color our like one whole part over here. They colored like one whole part. Now our how we are going to find our answer, and with this whole, like, how we are going to find that answer. To find the answer, as you can see, let me just tell you the answer in this. How we did that is, okay, over here as you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 boxes, so our denominator is 8. Now number of overlapping sections were 3, like 1, 2, 3. These were the overlapping sections. So yeah, so our answer is 3/8. This is how you can find the you can multiply fractions using the area models. Okay, you can try this by your own, like you can try this and you can like tell your answer. Like, just pause the video over here and try this question and then tell your answer. Okay, so answer of that question is 1/5. Now we are going to learn how we can multiply fractions and mixed numbers. Like if we having the mixed fraction, how we can multiply with that. So for that, what we need to do is suppose here we have the quotient to multiply 2 1 by 4th by 1 by uh, uh, like we need to multiply 2 1 by 4th into 1 by 2. So when we will multiply, so our first step is to uh, turn this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we can turn this mixed fraction into improper fraction? So for that, in that case, what you need to do is uh for that you need to just multiply 4 with 2 and then add then whatever you get with 1. Like let me just tell you, over here we have 2 with 1 by 4. Yeah, what we need to do to convert it into the improper fraction is to multiply these two numbers. So when you will multiply these two numbers, you will get 8. Yeah, and then you need to add this 8 with the number we having in the numerator. So when you will add 1 with 8, you will get 9. So whatever number you get by doing this whole calculation, you will put that number in your numerator. Okay, like we get 9 over here, so you will put that 9 over there. Like as you can see, they have like explained to you clearly, like they have 4 and 2. So what you need to do is you need to like multiply that and you get 8. Okay, then you need to add that 8 with the numerator, whatever numerator you are having. And then after doing this whole calculation, the answer you got, you need to keep that answer in the numerator and then keep the denominator same as you are having. So whatever fraction you are getting is your improper fraction. Okay, then our second step is to multiply as you like follow, like as you did in our last time. So multiply is like normal as you did at the first. So multiply numerator, then multiply denominators, and whatever answer you got is your answer. Then what you need to do is you need to convert that into the mixed fraction. Like here you are having a improper number, you need to convert that into the mixed fraction. Okay, if needed, like if it is not an improper, if that is not improper fraction, just keep that like how it is. But if it is improper fraction, convert that into the mixed number. Okay, so yeah, and like you can try this, and you can just like pause the video and try this question. Okay, here you got the answer. Fractions by fractions. What you need to do if you are multiplying fraction by fraction, multiply the numerators followed by the denominators, and then simplify the fraction if needed. Okay, and when you are multiplying fractions with like if fractions are having mixed numbers, so what you need to do is rewrite the mixed number into the improper fraction, then follow the same step when you're multiplying fraction by fraction. Okay, here's your assignment. Like just do this question, pause the video, do this question, and then I will tell you the answer in the next video or in the comments. So yeah, and yeah, you can just like pause the video and you can just like do that. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video helps you to understand how you can multiply fractions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below. I will definitely going to answer that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.